What's going on, What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the video, guys. I'm sorry, I'm nervous. I got Haley over here. Haley, come say hi. So she's gonna help me out today. We got customer orders we gotta get out, and then also a possible FBA shipment. So if you don't know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life, and I go over the ups and downs in business, and I try to make a video every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. So in doing so, I hope you guys enjoy the video. We're gonna get started right now. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Haley is an absolute beast and helped me out. We just got these two large decals, or one of these decals done, and then we have these down here, but we are done for the day. So now let's go over yesterday's revenue to see how much money we made. All right, guys, so starting with eBay, we made $74.14. We made $286.80 on Amazon, to a total of $361 in revenue, which we are now at $10,156. So we would like to be a little bit higher than that. We want to be hitting 30K, but we're not even there yet. So we are just trying to push hard. So if you guys are interested in these videos, please subscribe down below. I make a video almost every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and also it would help other people find my videos just like how you did. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Good night.